Itando Nestembu. Makumalo, now she is done. And Musamseleku, he is hoping that Makumalo, she is not going anywhere. Guys, Mangwabe, she is not going anywhere. And Mayeni, but Makumalo, you saw her face, that woman, she looks like she is very tired. She doesn't want to talk too much. Makumalo, she will end up leave because that woman, she is independent. She have got her own money. You understand? Makumalo, she for Musamseleku's wives, the person who lives is Makumalo. Guys, we don't want to lie. That woman, she is done. She is done with Musamseleku. I don't want to lie. And Musamseleku, he is hoping that Makumalo, he takes Makumalo for a good heart for granted. And that woman, she is done. She is done for his actions. She is done. The person who lives now is Makumalo, not Mangwabe. Mangwabe, she is not going anywhere because Msamselek loves Mangwabe and Mayen. And we saw that, guys. Makumalo, you saw that Makumalo, she is not happy. She is done. You can saw her face. That woman, she is depressed.